Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicles out of water. First, gather your supplies. You'll need popsicle molds, sticks, and clean drinking water. You can find molds in various shapes and sizes, often sold in sets with reusable sticks. Make sure all your equipment is thoroughly cleaned before you begin. This simple preparation ensures a hygienic and enjoyable treat. Now, let's add some flavor. You can infuse your water with fruit slices such as lemon or berries, or even fresh mint leaves for a refreshing twist. For a sweeter option, dissolve a small amount of sugar or a natural sweetener like honey into the water. Once flavored, carefully pour the mixture into your popsicle molds, leaving about 1/4 inch of space at the top. Insert the sticks and place them in the freezer. Get creative with your water popsicles. Try making layered popsicles by freezing one flavor partially before adding another. You can also embed small pieces of fruit, like blueberries or raspberries, directly into the molds before freezing for a delightful surprise. Silicone molds are fantastic for intricate designs and make unmolding a breeze. Remember, the colder your freezer, the faster your popsicles will set, typically within 4 to 6 hours. Once your water popsicles are completely frozen, it's time to enjoy them. To easily remove them from the molds, run a little warm water over the outside of the mold for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps loosen the popsicle without melting it too much. Store any extra popsicles in an airtight bag or container in the freezer to prevent freezer burn. They're a perfect, refreshing treat on a warm day. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.